Welcome, kindergarten friends. This is our blending lesson for the week. So last week I mistakenly said that we were done with letters. We're actually done this week. So these are our last two letters, which is really exciting. We're finishing this up this week. Our last two letters are Y and Q. So Y and Q. Now when we look at the capital Y and the lowercase y, do they look the same? They do not. The lowercase y is a tail letter, which means that it goes underneath the bottom line. It does not look exactly like the capital. And when we look at Q, the capital Q and lowercase q, those also do not look the same, and the lowercase q is a tail letter as well. And it has that funny little backwards hook to it. So when we say Y, the letter Y, what sound does it make? Yeah, yes, yeah. And then Q, what sound does Q make? Qua, qua. Very good. I have some words under each of our letters here, so we're going to start right here. Y and A will say yeah, yak, and the whole word is yak. When we look at the next one, Y and E, we'll say yeah, yes, and the whole word is yes. I see a Y and an A again, that will say yeah, yeah, and the whole word is yam. Y and E, yeah, yeah, ooh. Now, even though there's two L's there, we're not going to say y, ooh. We just say one ooh sound for that double L. So y, ooh, yeah, ooh, yell. And then another Y and E, yeah, yet. And the whole word is yet. Now, Q is a very special letter because Q always has a buddy. Always, always, always has his buddy U. You will not find a Q word that is without Q's buddy U. So the two are always together to make that qu sound. So there's that qu sound, quit. And the whole word is quit. There's that qu sound, Q and U, qu, I. They'll say together quiz. And the whole word is quiz. Let's see if we can figure this out. Now, why do you think I underlined this capital Q? Or why did I even make it a capital? Do you know? I did that because Quinn is a name. And we only did one n sound, even though there are two n's here. We didn't say qu, n. We just said Quinn. Quinn. So that is a name. So let's see if we can figure this one out. Quill, 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 quilt. Ooh, that one had lots of sounds. Quilt, quilt. So quilt. So these are our letters this week. Hopefully you can take some time to practice writing those letters. And now we're going to do our nonsense words. Okay, so our nonsense words, remember these are words that are not real. They're make-believe words, but when we practice nonsense words, it helps us become better readers because when we look at those, we can't just look at it and know what it says. We have to sound it out. So when we look at Y and A, yat, and the whole word is yat. When we look at Y and O, yaks, yucks. D and U, duff, duff. Z and O will say za, zak, zak. B and A, baz, baz. And W-E will say wef, wef. I know when we look at that, you probably wanted to say we, because that is a sight word that we have. But when we're sounding out our words here, E isn't going to say E, it's going to say eh. Wef, wef. So that is our blending lesson for this week. I hope you take some time to practice writing the capital Y and lowercase y, the capital Q and lowercase q. And remember that Q always has his buddy U with him to make that qu sound. All right, friends, thank you for joining me. I'll see you soon. Bye.